What?
Yeah, babe, stop using teeth.
Oh, I'll give somebody get a hand right now.
Can you give her tips though? This shit ass.
Oh, fuck. Give me a hand. Hello, he getting head? What the hell? Oh, hell no.
Hey, I looked away. For any of y'all horny ass people that were staring at the camera looking at her ass, all y'all going to jail. Every single one of y'all, jail.
She getting fucked, and that's that. No, it's not. She getting head.
He said she getting bugged.
What the fuck? She got head? What? Get it, girl. Get it.
Yeah.
We ball like NBA. I'm from Macon, was not safe. It's my booty, she freak out, and it ain't the bay. I'ma beat her whole pussy, don't cut me the case. I got her retirement, I'm never too lit. I can lick over rapper, we never relate. I white like a Yeti, my young nigga 10, and he got a 38. We ball like NBA. I'm from Macon, was not safe. It's my booty, she freak out, and it ain't the bay. I'ma beat her that pussy, gon' give me a case. I got her retirement, I'm never too lit. I can lick over rapper, we never relate. Since that made me a clown, I'm up in her face. I got those down the road, and I make shit expensive. That boy wanna feature, that boy got a
Re mi fa sol la ti. Hey, man, you already know what the fuck going on. Before this video starts, I want to say a huge shout out to my boy CurlyHead John. Link will be in the description. That's my dog. If y'all know me, y'all should know him. He's letting me use his mannequin head with the wig, and he already made this video. I asked him if it's cool if I do the same thing. He said yes, so big shout out to him for letting me do this. But basically what I'm finna do is I'm finna go on monkey, right, monkey, and I'm gonna act like I'm getting head, and I'm finna be like this. Well, you guys can't see it, but I'm gonna have this bitch like right here, and just be like, ah, and you know what I'm saying? I like I'm getting some woo. So let's go ahead and load up this monkey app. I hope y'all ready, man, because this video should be a banger, man. I promise you, it should be a banger, man. And again, just big thank you to CurlyHead John, my dog, man, my dog. Alright, I bet you like your hair. Stop biting my teeth. What the fuck though? I said stop biting my teeth.
What?
Damn, babe, stop using teeth. Damn, babe, stop using teeth. Hold on, what am I doing? Let me actually angle this so y'all can see me. There we go, that should be good now.
What's up?
Damn, man.
Oh my gosh, hold up, wait.
Stop using teeth, bro.
Oh wait.
That shit was funny, bro. You said, oh wait. Oh, you skipped me, you bitch. Fuck ass bitch, keep using teeth, bro. I should knock your shit.
Oh shit.
Damn, bro.
What the fuck? He's getting hand right now.
You finna let me eat your ass after this?
I think it's fake.
I think it's fake. Fuck it, you fucking pussy.
Please. Just wait. She gon' ride at me in the magazine. And she gon' ride for me. Even though you don't let me say you got for me. Ain't no lying to you, lying to you. She gon' ride for me.
If you just gonna suck my dick, you gonna eat my ass too, bro. Fuck on with you. They looking kinda good, you know what I'm saying? Your forehead fat.
Which is used for my extensive program. What the freak? What the hell is this?
They said, what the freak?
Look, there are my tits. Nigga. Sucking dick. Oh my gosh, she getting fucked in the ass. That's kind of funny as fuck. Hold up.
Bro, when I saw that picture, bro, I was so disturbed. What the fuck was that?
Oh shit. I'm glad I did not finish. The fuck?
Can you give her tips? This shit ass.
I'm not finna play with y'all. You don't want to this everything. Hi. Are you getting head?
Can you give her tips? Cause this shit ass.
Are you sick? That's fake. I'm sick of collecting white fucks. I'm sick. Oh. I think somebody get their hand right now.
Can you give her tips though? This shit ass.
Oh, fuck. Look at
Fuck, I wanted to smack the fuck out of this bitch, bro. Fuck. Man, I done told you this shit is ass as fuck.
Yeah. What the hell? Oh, hell no.
Hey, I looked away. For any of y'all horny ass people that were staring at the camera looking at her ass, all y'all going to jail. Every single one of y'all, jail. Hey, a pom-pom. Woo! That shit just creeped me out, bro. That shit just creeped me out.
See? Ew, Cowboys.
You gonna eat my ass yet or what, man? I think my preferences is still on girls from like the last monkey videos I did. So let me put that shit to guys now. Let me see what they say. Hopefully they're not gay though. I hope to God they're not gay, because if they're gay, I'm going right back to girls.
Yeah, see ya. Oh, right down and right?
Yep, we're going right back to girls. 1 second, there we go.
What the heck is this?
Can you give her tips, bro? This shit ass.
What?
What? Stupid ass.
What the fuck? She got head? What the hell? Get it, girl. Get it.
Yeah. Fuck with that.
Whoa. She getting fucked. That's that. No, it's not. She getting head.
He said she getting fucked.
I like your hair. Oh, hell no. Oh, yes, get it. Here, you better be eating that junk up. Like, oh, okay. Okay,
She
get
gotta
it,
eat my
eat it,
ass.
okay.
Okay, first of all, she looked like 13, 14. She should not be talking about that.
You getting hit?
It's kind of ass though. Can you give her tips?
She's so.
What just happened? Hey, if any girl watching, y'all know female language. Tell me what the fuck she just said.
Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hello? Hello. Do you need to brush your hair? Yes. Yes. What is going on? Looks like you're getting a wiener job.
Huh? Huh? It looked like you're giving a wiener job. Like what? Hey, my phone about to die, so we just gotta have it at a different angle now.
Hello. Well, hello, motherfucker. She's such a bitch.
That's a good one to end it on, I guess. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It did take me a while to upload. I understand that it's a lot of things that kind of happened outside of YouTube that I was kind of going through, but we good now, you know what I'm saying? Back on the grind as always, you know what I'm saying, man? Idiot. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Again, shout out John for the video. And yeah, I hope y'all have a blessed day and more banger videos coming soon. Promise you. Love y'all.
I know nothing but stacks, a nigga go get you a bag. You know the money where I'm at, I swear I'm attached. Never throwing no white flag, I send my goons right to attack. 130 to dash, you know I be sliding too fast. She nervous, she think I might crash, I been on the ass. I got them stuck right in they tracks, they don't like how I'm speaking fast.